Welcome everyone to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we are going to make a Cajun shrimp and andouille sausage fried rice. So let's get started. First of all, these are the shrimp that I peeled, deveined, and washed in lemon juice and rinsed it in cold water about 3 or 4 times. And drain any excess water off. Now, these are the seasoning that I am using to make my Cajun seasoning with. A half a teaspoon of salt. I have here pink Himalayan salt, but you can use any salt of your choice. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano leaves, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. These are the seasoning here that I put in this bowl already. And this is what I'm going to do. Mix it up together. Now this is my wok. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up the wok to medium high heat. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of canola oil to the wok. Okay, back to the shrimp. These are the seasoning, the Cajun seasoning that I made. Now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the Cajun seasoning into the mixture. Then I'm going to mix the Cajun seasoning in with the shrimp. Then I'm going to set it aside and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. See? These are the shrimps. Okay. We'll cover it up here and we'll let it marinate for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, this is the next step. This is the andouille sausage that I already cut up. I'm going to put it in the wok and let them saute. Let the sausage, the andouille sausage, brown on each side. Now that the sausage have browned on both sides, we're going to take it out. Take the sausage out and put them to the side. These are the sausage. Okay. The next step is, these are the shrimps. That was marinating for about 10 minutes. You add the shrimp to the wok. You got to spread them out evenly so they can brown on each side. Now, the next thing is, while the shrimp cook, I'm going to show you the next step, what I did, the next preparation. Now, these are the vegetables that's going into the fried rice. I have here red, green, yellow, and orange bell peppers. I have onion. These are the peppers. I have red, green, bell peppers here, and orange. And in here, I have garlic minced up, onions, 3 scallion, a small onion chopped up. These are the onions. I have 3 scallion diced up, a half a stalk of celery diced up, and some parsley, a tablespoon of parsley already chopped up. These are the ingredients that goes into the pan next. Okay, I think there have been, I already flipped them to the other side, and it was cooking on the other side for about 1 minute. So now it's time to take it out. Okay, we're going to add it with the sausage. Now the next step is we need at least another tablespoon of oil. Then the next step is we're going to add the vegetable to the pan. These are the peppers, the bell peppers that are diced up. This is the onion, garlic, parsley, scallions, and celery that I diced up that I'm adding to the wok. Now we're going to saute the vegetables up together. See? Let them all saute up together. I have some leftover rice that I made a day ago. Now, this is jasmine rice. I like making my fried rice with jasmine rice. You can make it with basmati rice, brown rice, white rice, any long grain rice you choose. This is my rice. Now I add the rice to the pan. And also, the rest of this Cajun seasoning, you add it to the wok also. Now we're going to mix all of this up together. Mix it up till all the vegetables and the seasoning incorporate together. Now, the next thing we do, the meat goes back in. Now, if you don't have shrimp, you can make this dish with chicken. You dice up chicken, and you can use chicken instead of shrimp. Now, we mix all of this up together. Well, it's been frying here for about 4 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. The fried rice, the Cajun shrimp andouille sausage fried rice. I think it's ready. Take a look. Now, I think we'll take a taste. Let's serve some. There it is. Cajun shrimp with andouille sausage fried rice. Let's try some. Quite spicy. Just enough spice. Just the flavor is just right. Very tasty. Very tasty. Take a look again. See? There you go. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.